Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this video, we're going to talk about patterns. Imagine you have to create a pattern from these elements, and the pattern that you create needs to fit into this shape here, and this shape in itself has to repeat as well. This might happen when you have to use a certain size of shape in order to send this into printing, or you have to use it in a 3D application. And then you create a smaller pattern, but the smaller pattern has to fit into the larger shape and repeat well in that. What you cannot do is just take these elements and then go to Object, Pattern, Make, and then go to OK and click on Done, and then select this shape, apply the pattern, and then you see, well, repeating does not work so well. So let's undo that. What we have to do is create a pattern tile in a size that fits into this without any leftovers. Let's take a look at this and check out the size. It's 210 by 120, and then we have to figure out a size, and then this needs to be a multiple of that size. So 210 can be divided by 3, and then we have 70, and 120 can be divided by 2, and we have 60. 70 by 60. Let's select this and then go to Object, Pattern, and Make, like this. And then we've got the size here. It's the size of this blue box, and we can enter 70 here. And we can enter 60 here, like this. In order for this to stay that way, this needs to be unchecked. And then we can go in here and arrange this so that it looks nice, just like this. And that's something you have to do with any pattern you create. Almost always you have to arrange the objects after having created the pattern itself, move them around, maybe even recolor them, use a different color so that it looks nice and that it fits here. And you see these green elements, that doesn't work too well, so let's make this one red. Then let's take a look at this one and maybe make it green. That's a little nicer, and so you can figure out this pattern so that it works. Maybe like this. And then you can just go to Done and select this one, apply the pattern, and then when we move this, it repeats very well because it just fits. And it also doesn't matter how this gets filled into that shape, it will always fit. So even, let's delete this and this, even when you select this and double click the selection tool, and then we do not want to transform this, but we want to move this around in here like this, and you see still fits also on that side. So that's how you get a pattern that fits into a certain area so that you can send it into print.